Hello friends, I have 2 coins, 1 silver and 1 Chinese. Yes, 1 silver and 1 Chinese. So, if I take one of these, the silver, and I put this one into my pocket, how many coins do I have?
1.
No, 2, my friend. The Chinese and the silver, yes? Once again. Let's do it now with the Chinese. I put the Chinese coin into my pocket. So, how many coins do I have?
1.
No, 2, 1 and 2, the Chinese and the silver, yes? Okay, once again. Now I will take the Chinese. I put the Chinese into my pocket, nothing in my hand, so how many coins do I have?
1.
No, I will have 2. The silver and the Chinese, yes? Can you see? Yes? So once again, I take now the silver. I put this one into my pocket. Nothing in my hand. How many coins do I have?
The Chinese.
This is the new Hopping Half version.